Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I'm here bringing you the new Lenovo alarm clock that really is just the perfect thing to have by your bedside. So as you guys know, I have so many Google Home smart displays in my house, and really this one is perfect for just the bedside. So number one, it doesn't have a camera in it, which is always important for a bedroom, but still has an ambient light so that you know that when you have light on, it'll brighten up, and when it's nighttime, it won't distract you. Now this has all the functionality you would really want in a bedside clock. You have the ability to still use your Google Smart Assistant just as you would on any other one, but the really nice part about it is that you do have the functionality of an alarm. So it will wake you up in the morning, and it does it in a very gentle way, kind of brightening over time in this very subtle way that really is nice and fitting. But I really just love the design of it. It's a cloth material all around the back that's just really nice and simple. I like that when the alarm goes on, instead of touching the screen or just saying stop, you could actually double tap it just like an old-fashioned alarm, and it just really kind of mimics what, I don't know, at least I grew up with. So all in all, I'm really excited about more things like this that really make the smart home more easy and accessible, and just really a simple product that really comes around. Now this will be coming around in the springtime, and it will be retailing for about $79.99. So I think definitely competitively priced. I know for me personally, I would rather have this by my bedside instead of a Google Home Mini, for instance. I would spend the extra just to have those added functionalities, and really just for it to learn my routine and have me set for the morning, especially when traffic is really something I watch out for in Los Angeles. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.